Well, here we're looking at the gold trust GLD. We are seeing some improvement in this, and when you look at it in the daily, it seems like it's still having a tough time. When you see it here on the hourly, looks, it's still having a tough time. You still see it really kind of going into this wedge pattern. But if we're really going to start to see this kind of break and make the turn, we could start to see this improve here. We're starting to see that kind of divergence as this is kind of coming into here. Maybe it tries to come down a little bit. But overall, as long as it can kind of hold this 124 level, I think we're okay here. I know we're right there. I would say maybe 123.50 level, but here's that prior low right there. But we're starting to see this squeeze, so I do think there's a shot that this can try to bounce to the upside, even though we've been seeing kind of a mixed bag here. So I would be watching pretty carefully to the upside. I would think that this could be getting pretty bullish in a short amount of time. Look at this in the longer term, though. This is what's concerning, is that it was not able to really break over that prior range, so it's still kind of bearish on the daily. So on the when you look at on the 60 minutes, improving. Is it going to be are we seeing the a 50% retracement around that here, and it starts to kind of continue? Not sure here. It does look like this could be the 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you see the 5, and we're looking at ABC correction phase. So we should be seeing maybe this can really start to continue this drive higher if we're truly following that Elliott wave, and that's the right count. We didn't break the prior swing 1 range, which was the high of 123.04. So that would be where that would be my break. The trend would break that wave count right at that range. So that would be where I'd really watch for. I'd have my stop just under 123.04, and I do think if you break that, then yeah, you probably see this continue and extend lower. But if you're going to start to see the kind of ABC quick counter move, I think it makes sense you may see this start to happen right in here. Start try to kind of come, see that little kickback, and now we start to see the thrust. So the 1 hour is starting to make a little more sense that may be the case. Now, from a technical standpoint, watch this trend line right from the range, so if you get the break over the 125, this should be a pretty good mover and could continue that drive higher.